The lady in mint green gown. Miss Maria Billing C. So. 13 years of age. She was born on December 17, 1995. For her, watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become your character. And lastly, watch your character, it becomes your destiny.
Thank you, candidate number 11. Let's welcome